Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So, I have a book and I am going to start doing book reviews. So when we look for fun vintage books for our junk journals, I notice, you know, when you purchase books, you know, you can't see the inside of the book. So, you know, I got to thinking, I was brainstorming, and I was thinking, what if I did a book review, and I reviewed a book in each video. I take one book and tell you the author, the title, the size, and then show you a complete flip through of the book. Now, many people look for different types of books for their journals. You know, some people do Victorian, some people do just children, some people do nature, whatever your genre or type of a journal you make, you might want to try to find books to use for your ephemera or book pages or whatnot. So I just thought I would do a book review, and I'm going to start doing that with every book in my library, and then every book that I obtain in the future. So I thought I would start out with this book. So I will get a measuring. So this book may not really be a junk journaling book. I did choose it for that. Again, like I said, everyone has different styles and looks for different things in a book. You know, we don't all look for butterflies and flowers and whatever. So this book, I was at a thrift store. It intrigued me because it has the vintage retro. So I started flipping through it. So this book is called I Like You by Amy Sedaris, Hospitality Under the Influence. This book measures 8.5 by 10. It is a hardcover, and it is about an inch spine. And this is the back. Yeah, I know, it looks like she's not wearing anything, but she is. Yeah, I don't know, this book is just really weird. So let's take the cover off. It's a green cover with an embossed picture of her. And the spine says, I like you. And yes, she's wearing clothes in this, and she is drowned in frosting, and it's, like I said, it's a weird book, but it intrigued me, especially the insides pictures. So it's just a quirky book that I really thought I could use a lot of the images in here and pages. So this is 2006. Okay, so let's show you. I guess I just like how she took pieces of paper and typed it on and put on here. It's just a really, she's just a different duck, I want to say, I guess. And there's just lots of things in here, lots of images, lots of weird, quirky stuff. Lots of vintage things. It's supposed to be a book about hospitality and how you, you know, how you entertain. So, like I said, it's just weird and quirky, but I found, you know, just lots of vintage type pages in here. So here she's, you know, like in a, I don't know, 50s, 40s dress. Here's a old buttermilk pound cake. Again, like I said, just lots of weird, quirky stuff. There's lots of things to cut out and use. Lots of like I mean, just like lots of sayings, spotlight on. I mean, so just, I don't know. I found it really intriguing. So I'll flip through some more pages here and show you. So like here's the old vintage bowl. Look at these old glasses. Now, these are, I've seen these in flea markets and antique stores. So this is a one of those frosted glasses with an image on it. So, but isn't that cool? Why not use that in a journal? I mean, I love it. It's just quirky and fun and weird all at the same time. But she talks about hairstyles. I mean, look at this. That's cool. She's got all these like photocopied of papers of recipes and how to wear makeup and these really big pages of words that can be cut out. Look at all these words that I could use. Yeah, I mean, I think we used to have these glasses. Yeah, just really neat. Like I said, it's kind of a, there she is in her, covered with frosting. Look at these vintage things here. Yeah, look at that big I like you. Look at all this like collaging here with recipes. I'm sorry, maybe I should have zoomed in a tad bit more for you. There we go, sorry. There we go, stop bouncing. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing that. These are little book review tutorials, not tutorial, just a book review of different junk journal books that can be used. So I think I'm going to start doing that, and I'll do, it's just a quick video on everything about a book, and then you can research it and find it if you like it. I just know that I've watched other people's hauls, and you know, they have several books in there, but what if I seen a book and I wanted to know what it looks like on the inside and everything about it and the size. So I guess that's what I'm going to do. So I thought that would be fun to start sharing that. Okay, so this is I Like You by Amy Sedaris, Hospitality Under the Influence. Okay, thank you.